Namaste everyone, thank you very much for joining me in this video. In this video, I'm going to show you an application that has been developed using Angular. Yeah, so it's an Angular application, and basically what all things you can do in through this application, that is what I'm going to show you now. So how the application works, let's check it out. So if a person is new to this application, he can create his profile on this platform just by hitting this URL over here. So he will get redirected to the sign up page. Now here he can enter his name. Let me enter a random name here. So Neelam Jan. Mobile number, let's say a random number I have put here. Then a random email address, and here I'm going to put a password. Okay, so a profile has been created successfully, and you can see an alert message over here on the top which says registration successful. The moment the user clicks the OK button, he gets redirected to the login page where he can enter the email ID, right? Through which he has created his or her profile. So user not found, I think I am making some mistake. User not found, I think there is something which I am missing. No problem. Let us check out the login credentials of the user. So for doing that, what we can do, we can take help of JSON server. So here in this application, as you can see, there are two different terminals in which two things are running. One is this npm server, which is running on 4200 port, and the other one is the JSON server, right, which is running on port number 3000. So these are the three things that you can check on JSON server. I'm going to check the details of those people who have registered on this platform till date. So for that, I can use this URL localhost 3000 and sign up. If you will refresh it, see, I am able to see the profile which I have created recently, which I just created in front of you all. And here you can see the email ID is this, and I can see the password also. So let me just copy the email ID from here, and I'm going to put it here. And I need to copy the password also. I'm putting it over here. Let's log in. Okay, so this time I am able to log in, and yeah, so the app has redirected me to another URL which is restaurant. Okay, now if a person has to add the details of his restaurant in this application, so he can simply click here on add restaurant, and here he can add the required details. So I'm doing it right away. Janta restaurant, email ID, let's say janta@gmail.com, mobile number, a random mobile number I'm putting, Janta Garage Colony 3, Ghaziabad. Okay, so this is a random address, and then services, let's say pizza delivery. Okay, and let's add the details. So as you can see here, the alert box says restaurant records got added successfully. Let's hit OK and check out the details. So yes, we can see the details over here. Now if the user wants to edit the details, he can simply click here on edit, and then he can change the details like this. Suppose he has to change the email ID from janta@gmail.com to janta123@gmail.com. So he can do it like this. He can change the phone number also. So whatever details he has added for creating his restaurant's profile on the platform, he can definitely edit everything. update details, and the moment he hits the update button, automatically the details will get updated like this, right? Similarly, if the user wants to delete the restaurant which he has added to the application, he can click here on delete and he can delete the records also, right? You can check the things which are getting reflected over here on the JSON server on this particular URL. So you can see here Gaurav Kumar Jain, and everything whatever is getting reflected over here, it's coming over here also on the JSON server, right? Similarly, if let me just add a you know another detail here of a restaurant, Diamond Hotel, Gmail ID. Fine, a random mobile number I've taken. Then email address, let's make it Diamond, and birthday party. Add details, added the details successfully. The details are getting reflected over here. If I refresh this URL, so you can see here the details which I just added are getting reflected on the post URL also. Right, now if the person has to log out, he can click here on log out and he will get redirected to the login page. Fine, so this is how the application works, and what you have to do for running the application on your device. So you have to, after downloading the code from the link which I'm going to provide to you guys in the description section of this video, you have to open two different terminals, right? Then you can run the npm server first through this command in one terminal, and JSON server through this command in the other terminal, right? So you will get two different URLs, one with local host 3000 and the other one with port number 4200. Okay, so then you can check out these URLs and you can enjoy the application. Fine, so basically if you will be able to definitely understand this application if you have done Angular, if you have the experience of Angular, like you know Angular application, how the Angular application works, what is the structure of Angular application, and all these things. If you have the knowledge of these things, definitely you will be able to understand this application also. However, if you want to learn these types of things, if you want to develop your career in the coding field, you can contact me on the number which is getting reflected on your screens right now. I am on WhatsApp also on this very same number. So if you have any queries, you can put your queries on my WhatsApp number, and I'll be happy to respond to your queries. I'll be happy to give the answers to your queries. Right, and let me just tell you that I have experienced a lot of things in coding: artificial intelligence, mobile application development, web application development, then gaming application development, right? Then there is machine learning, deep learning, right? So many, everything that can be done with the help of coding, I've experienced it. Right, so you can check my YouTube channel also. You can check the applications also which I have developed till date. There are more than, I think, 800, 900 applications which I have developed. All of them are there on my channel. All the applications are there on my channel. So you can just download them, check them out on your devices. If you like the application, definitely share your feedback in the comment section of those videos. And if you suppose find an application very interesting and if you want to learn to develop those kind of applications, so you can contact me and you can take my courses. And let me just tell you, I can bet you on this, you are going to take away many things from my courses, right? You're going to take away many things from each of the class which I'm going to give you in the course which you will take. Okay, so you will be able to develop a successful career in the field of coding. you will be able to become a real coder, and you will be able to work in multinational companies like Google, right, Amazon, your dream companies, right? Even if you don't want to work in those companies, you want to start your own business, you will be able to do that too. So this is the power of coding, and this is what I teach in my classes. And if you really want to learn real coding, if you really want to become a good coder, you can take my classes. Definitely you will not regret, and you will learn a lot of things. Right, so this is it from my side in this lecture. I'm going to provide the link of this application in the description section. So don't forget to download the application, check it out on your devices, and let me know whether you were able to run it perfectly fine on your device or not. In case you come across any issues, do let me know about those issues also on my WhatsApp number. This is it from my side. Thank you very much. Keep sharing the videos, keep loving my videos, and keep motivating me like this by joining my videos, my lectures, which I put on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, everyone. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day ahead.